I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
In this video, we are going to press our 12-ounce double wall poly tumbler right after this. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to press our 12-ounce white polymer tumbler.
First, we're going to take it apart, and we are going to tape our transfer on there with thermal tape.
And you can find the thermal tape online at coastalbusiness.com. And then while Mare's taping, I'm just going to go over the jig. So we do have a jig for this as well. For our tumblers, you're going to want to preheat the jig for 320 degrees before placing in the cup. So this is at 320 now. So we just kind of wanted to get it ready beforehand.
Okay, we're going to place the jig in the cup, and we'll put it in our heat press. And we're going to press at 350 degrees for 180 seconds.
Okay, so we are pressing today with a light pressure. You can also press in a oven for 400 degrees for 6.5 minutes using a silicone wrap. So that's option as well if you do not have a mug press. We are using our 4-in-1 mug press today with a 17-ounce latte element inside.
Okay, we're ready here. So you'll remove the tumbler and also your image immediately. Okay, we're gonna let it cool down for a few minutes and then we will put it all together. Okay, now that it's cooled down, you'll notice that there are grooves on the part that you just pressed and also grooves on the insert, so you'll wanna match those up. And then press it down and then add your cap. And then all you need now is coffee.
There you go. So this is our 12-ounce double wall polymer tumbler that is available at coastalbusiness.com. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.